In the open ocean, the upwelling of deeper, colder and nutrient-rich waters trigger a massive and complex food web. Here, a delicate equilibrium is maintained, in which the breeding time and success of many marine animals are closely linked and dependent on the peak of food production in the ocean. A number of offshore islands provide essential breeding grounds for marine birds. Having no land predators and protected from human disturbance, these islands are true sanctuaries where many rare species can complete their breeding cycle in peace and tranquility. Along the coasts of Namibia and South Africa, Cape fur seals congregate in large numbers during spring and summer. Every year they come to the shore to breed. Just like the marine birds, the timing of their breeding is closely tied to the abundance of food in the ocean. The rich productivity of the benguela also extends into the coastal wetlands. The coastal areas are predominantly arid, so that the few perennial coastal wetlands are vital oases of biodiversity. Several of them, such as the mouth of the Orange River, have been internationally recognized as important wetlands and declared Ramsar sites. These wetlands provide breeding and wintering grounds for waterbirds. Just after sunset, the sonar of a modern purse seine boat starts to locate the large school of pilchards and anchovy. Fishing takes place mostly at night, when pilchards and anchovy congregate in large numbers to feed near the surface. Pilchard and anchovy fishing is one of the main commercial activities in the Benguela Current, making them some of the most important groups of fish harvested by humans. Pelagic fish stocks are highly susceptible to environmental variability and overexploitation, making this fishery very dynamic and unpredictable. Additionally, many pelagic fish are migratory, so that they complete their breeding cycles in different parts of the Benguela Current, and thus they become a shared resource between the three countries, and shared resources require careful management. In South Africa, overfishing led to the collapse of the pilchard fishery in the mid-1960s. Catches in Namibia increased until the 1970s, when that fishery also collapsed, with massive losses of jobs and revenues for both countries. Today, as a result of better management, these resources are recovering again, providing a source of cheap protein for African consumers and employment for many in South Africa and Namibia. Once again, the need for coordinated research and close collaboration across the political borders was highlighted to benefit the entire region.